See all the students. I will start mathematics in 3 phases. First phase, fundamental concept of every point. Second, NCERT book problems for board exam. Third, some problems for JEE main and advanced. So, through 3 phases we will start all the problems. I think this will help you a lot for both the exam, board and entrance examination. So today we will start chapter set. Today we will start chapter set. Today's goal, concept of set, and how to identify whether it is a set or not. This is today's goal. So first, you see one example. Collection of natural numbers between 1 and 6. Collection of natural numbers between 1 and 6. If I ask anyone, they find the natural numbers between 1 and 6, the answer will come 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer won't vary from person to person. Selection will remain same for all. Second example, collection of all boys in the class. Ultimately, if I ask anyone, they write the name of all boys in the class, the answer will same. Write name of all boys, let A, B, C, D, etc. The selection of objects will same from person to person. Then third example you see, the collection of the students scoring more than 60% and less than 90%. So ultimately the selection of the students who are securing, see the list and see which students are securing more than 60% and less than 90%. So ultimately the selection of the students will remain same from person to person. So in these three examples, the collection of objects are known as well defined. Collection of well defined objects. Collection of well defined objects. Now you see another three examples. See, a group of intelligent students. A group of intelligent students. Second example, group of or a collection of small towns in India. Third example, group of or collection of most talented writers, let in India. Listen it mindfully. In all these three examples, collection of or group of intelligent students, group of small towns, and group of most talented writers. So, in these examples, the degree to what extent your student is intelligent, or the degree to what extent the towns are small, or to what extent the writers are most talented, it is not known to us. In eyes of one, suppose in my opinion, student A is intelligent, but in eyes of another, student A is not intelligent, but student B is intelligent. That means opinion will vary from person to person. Selection of objects will vary from person to person. So all these intelligent students, small towns, collection of small towns, most talented writers, all these collections are not well defined. So, finally we concluded, in fact, set is not defined, but according to German mathematician George Cantor, set is a collection of well defined objects. In fact, set is not defined. Set is not defined, but however, according to German mathematician George Cantor, set is a collection of, finally we got, set is a collection of well defined objects. Set is a collection of well-defined objects. The term well-defined means, I explained you through 6 examples. Well-defined means we will choose the elements in such a way that our selection of elements shouldn't vary from person to person. That means to define set or to find the collection of objects, there must be certain definite property. There are some definite property. There is a definite property. Or a definite rule on basis of which one can determine whether the objects belongs to our collections or not. So, set is a collection of well-defined objects. That means we will choose the elements or objects in such a way that, or we will define the set in such a way that selections of elements shouldn't vary from person to person. That is well-defined objects. So see some more examples from NCERT book, exercise 1.1, NCERT book, exercise 1.1. I am explaining you 5 examples. NCERT book, exercise 1.1. First it is given the collection of all months of a year, beginning with letter J. Question number 1, listen it mindfully. Collection of all months in a year beginning with the letter J. So this is a set. Why? So collection of all months beginning with a letter J. If I ask this question, or if I ask anyone to find the months that begins with the letter J, ultimately the answer will come January, June, July, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. January, June, July. So this is a set. Selection will not vary from person to person. It will remain same for all. January, June, July. Second question. So this is a set. Collection of well-defined object. This is a set. Second bit. Collection of most talented writers in India. Already I have explained you the collection of most talented writers in India. Already I have explained this in example. This is not a set. Most talented. most talented writers. Who is the most talented? The degree to what extent the writers are talented is not mentioned here. Suppose I say there is A, the writer A is talented, to others opinion, writer B is talented. So this is not well defined. So this is not set. Not a set. See third example. A team of 11 best cricket players. Best cricket players. A team of 11 best cricket players. Best cricket player. The word best. Most talented, good, rich, beautiful. I think this is not well defined. Best cricket players, not a set. Not a set. IV1. Collection of all the boys in your class. Already I have explained. Collection of all the boys in the class. This is set. If I ask everyone, ultimately the answer, everyone will write name of all the boys. So this is a set. This is a set. Fifth one. Collection of natural numbers less than 100. The answer will come. If anyone is asked, the answer will come 1, 2, till 99. So this is a set. Selection will remain same for all. So this is a set.